welcome guys to yet another beautiful day, another wonderful morning. So I today was going to fix back, putting back the leaf spring. You see, you got the new bush. Here's the new bush. Here's the new spring. The new spring. You see the new spring you got, and then the new U-bolts. Here the new U-bolts, both of them, and the new center bolt. See, this is the new center bolt. So first I'm going to fix the spring, then afterwards then I put back the springs. All these are the springs down here. So we are going to put back the springs in there. So now stay tuned as we pull this spring. But first, there's one difficulty with this spring. It is not the original one, so you need to modify it, because you see the tips of the ears, they are carved out in such a way they need to be turned. So we are going to first modify this and put it back here. So it's fixed here, this hole and this hole over here. There's a hole here, so put it here and put it here, then push them together. So yeah, stay tuned as we pull them back. Guys, we are done. You see, I already put the wheel. It was very tough. Yeah, it's now 2 p.m. Now you see the new U-bolts. You see the new center bolts. See, the shock is back. Yeah, you put a new spring. This is the new spring. Put a longer spring. You see, this is the new spring. Yeah, we put everything back together. See, everything is back together. Then at the behind, yeah, you see, everything is back. The wheel is tied. Now it's only remaining test. See the new spring. Yeah, so you're done. You've cleared everything. Everything is packed. So yeah, we are going to test if it, and also you see, you know, by knowing the gap between here and the other side, and this side and this side, see, and this side. So it's already done, and the wheel is back. You see, so now the wheel is back. Now we are done with it. So yeah, any yeah, now it's packed. You see, now the wheel is good. That's the goodness of this work.